Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of dropshipping. Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss and running a business from anywhere? Dropshipping might be the perfect opportunity for you. Let's dive in and explore this incredible business model. You're going to learn how to sell products online without ever touching them. Sounds interesting? It is. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Get ready to unlock your entrepreneurial spirit. Let's make your dropshipping dreams a reality. Are you ready? Let's go. Dropshipping is a simple yet powerful business model. Imagine this. You list a cool product on your online store. A customer loves it and places an order. Here's the magic, you don't ship the product. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles everything else. You tell them about the order and they ship it directly to your customer. You focus on what matters, finding customers and making sales. No more packing boxes or trips to the post office. Dropshipping is all about connecting buyers with great products and building your brand. Let's break down how to get started with your own dropshipping business. Starting a dropshipping business is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps. 1. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you want to sell? Find a niche that excites you and has potential customers. 2. Find a supplier. Partner with a reliable supplier who offers quality products and fast shipping. Do your research and choose wisely. 3. Set up an online store. Create a professional-looking website or use a platform like Shopify to showcase your products. 4. Add products. List your chosen products on your store with attractive images and descriptions. 5. Market your products. Spread the word about your store. Use social media, ads, and content marketing to reach your target audience. 6. Make a sale. Congratulations. A customer buys from your store. Now it's time to fulfill the order. 7. Manage customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve any issues efficiently. Now that you know the steps, let's explore the amazing benefits of dropshipping. Section 4. The upsides of dropshipping. Dropshipping offers incredible advantages for aspiring entrepreneurs. First, low startup costs. Say goodbye to huge upfront investments. You don't need to buy inventory upfront, making dropshipping very affordable to start. Second, flexibility and freedom. Work from anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours and enjoy the flexibility of running your business on your terms. Third, a wide product range. Offer a vast selection of products without holding any inventory. Easily add or remove products based on customer demand. And fourth, scalability. As your business grows, so can your dropshipping operation. Fulfill increasing order volumes effortlessly with the help of your suppliers. While dropshipping offers fantastic opportunities, it's essential to be aware of the challenges. Section 5. Dropshipping challenges, what to watch out for. Every business has its challenges and dropshipping is no exception. Be prepared for these potential hurdles. First, low margins. Competition can be fierce, leading to lower profit margins on individual products. Focus on selling in volume to maximize your earnings. Second, supplier reliability. Your success depends on your supplier's performance. Choose reliable suppliers with a proven track record of quality and timely shipping. Third, inventory management. While you don't handle inventory, you still need to stay updated on product availability. Use inventory management tools or work closely with your suppliers. And fourth, customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial. Be responsive to inquiries, address concerns promptly, and strive to exceed customer expectations. Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's explore some powerful tips to help you succeed. Section 6. Winning at dropshipping. Tips for success. Ready to crush it in the dropshipping world? Follow these tips to maximize your chances of success. First, choose a profitable niche. Find a niche with high demand and low competition. Research thoroughly and select products with good profit potential. Second, build a strong brand. Differentiate yourself from the competition. Create a unique brand identity, offer excellent customer service, and build a loyal customer base. Third, focus on customer experience. Happy customers are repeat customers. Provide a seamless shopping experience, fast shipping, and exceptional customer support. And fourth, continuously optimize. Don't be afraid to experiment. Continuously analyze your store's performance, test different marketing strategies, and make adjustments to improve your results. Remember, Success in dropshipping, like any business, requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stay focused, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. For more hustling videos, subscribe to our channel and visit our YouTube page for a detailed step-by-step guide to start your dropshipping business today.